In this video, we are going to go over the recommended movement precautions someone should take after their knee replacement surgery. It is important to note that different surgeons may recommend different precautions. Please consult the discharge instructions given to you from the hospital or contact your doctor if you have any further questions. There are two main precautions to follow after your knee replacement surgery. The first precaution is no rotating or twisting your knees. Although you should be moving around as much as you can tolerate after surgery, you should not be rotating your knees. Here are some movements that you should avoid doing when recovering from your knee replacement. The second precaution to follow after your knee replacement surgery is no pillow under the operative knee or knees. The reason that you should not put a pillow under your operative knee or knees is because if you keep your knee in a bent position for a long extended period while recovering, it may become more difficult for your legs to fully straighten in the future. Instead, you can opt to put a small rolled towel under your ankle to promote straightening your leg.